You have until the 24th of June to make the Christmas version of the limoncello. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. If limoncello is the liqueur of summer, Nocino is the winter equivalent. It's a traditional Italian liqueur made with green, unripe walnuts. It is rich, nutty, and warming, and unlike limoncello, is not easy to find in a shop. So you have to make it yourself. But hurry, you need to find a walnut tree and pick the walnut before San Giovanni, the 24th of June. You cannot buy them in shop. They must be picked when still unripe, with the green husk and still white inside. After that, the husk dries, the shell hardens, and the nuts become too difficult to cut. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Cut the green walnut into quarter on a cutting board, but before you touch them, put on disposable gloves. The walnut hull contains juglone that stain and it's indelible. Place the quarter walnut into large glass jar that holds at least 3 liters, with the bottleneck wide enough to get the walnut back once the liquor is mature. You can find the Amazon link here above. Peel the lemon with a potato peeler. You want the zest only, without the white pit beneath it. Cut the strips of zest into smaller pieces. Add the lemon zest, the cloves, the coffee beans and the cinnamon to the jar. Pour the alcohol over everything and seal the jar. The alcohol you need is a 95% pure. It is in the US, Everclear at 190 proof is the equivalent. If you cannot find it in your country, vodka works as a substitute, though the result will be slightly different. Store the jar in a dark place for 40 days, and every second day just give it a good shake. After 40 days, filter the liquid through layers of cheesecloth or a coffee filter. Keep the walnut, don't throw them away. I will explain why in a moment. Now make the sugar syrup. Warm the water and sugar together in a small saucepan over a gentle heat until the sugar has fully dissolved. Take it off the heat and leave it to cool completely to room temperature before you add it to the Nocino. If you add hot syrup to the filtered alcohol, you will lose alcohol content. Once the syrup is cool, combine it with the filtered Nocino and stir everything together. Pour the finished liquor into bottles and store them in a cool, dark place. Now about those walnuts. The alcohol-soaked walnuts still holds all the flavor of the spices and the walnut hull. If you put them into bottles of wine and leave them for at least a month, the wine absorbs everything. Red, rosé or white all works. The result is what the French call liqueur de noix, a wine-based walnut infusion. I make some with red wine to serve as mulled wine at Christmas, and some with white wine to drink cold. Once the Nocino bottles are ready, it's best to wait a few more months before you drink them, and Christmas is the perfect time. Pour it into a small fancy bottle, and to create a complete signature gift, add a professional label and my printed recipe book. You can find on the link here above. Homemade Liqueur of Italy, 11 seasonal recipe, including the illegal fragolino. For more homemade liquor recipe, you can check out the course Homemade Liqueurs, a beginning course to creating signature gift. I linked here for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure.